Racing just is started. We've enjoyed the magic. Very quickly restart Pleasant Girl. Chance and Dior in the middle portion comes Easter Hope. Next on line is Born Free. And on the outside comes Black Diamond. Next on line is I'm from Manila. And on the inside now is entry number 7 and going along for the first turn. We have enjoyed the magic by our length and a half. Chance Sam Dior in second. Moving up on the outside is Black Diamond or rather Born Free. We have Born Free to take second. Enjoy the magic by about half length. Born Free is on the outside. Chance Sam Dior is racing in third. Easter Hope is down in fourth. Nerve so it still comes next. Pleasant Girl is Spanish Charm. Black Diamond comes next while I'm from Manila. Now racing in less. And at the far turn the lead now belongs to Born Free. And by about 3 lengths. And in second comes Enjoy the Magic. Chance Sam Dior. Nerves of Steel now coming closer in fourth. And as they swing for home, we have Born Free by a length and a half. Enjoy the Magic is on the outside. Nerves of Steel is down in third with about 100 meters of the race. Born Free, Enjoy the Magic. Once again, moving up on the outside. Nerves of Steel is down on the inside. And finally, it's going to be Enjoy the Magic. Close between Nerves of Steel and Born Free. Then comes Chance Sam Dior.